Today I made healthy green vegetable salad for weight loss. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Chopped apple, 1 cup. Chopped cucumber, 1 cup. Chopped lettuce leaves, 1 cup. Chopped tomatoes, 1 cup. Chopped onions, ½ cup. Sweet corn, ½ cup. Black olives, 3 tablespoons. Chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon. Chopped coriander. Chopped mint leaves. Squeeze lemon 1. Don't forget like share with friends and family. Sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, ½ teaspoon. Black salt, 1 teaspoon. Roasted almonds, 10 to 15 pieces. Mix it well. Like and comment. It's ready. Please like, subscribe,